These days most tourists while planning for vacation are on the lookout for places where they can explore possibilities of uninhibited sex, not necessarily with their own partners. This would include sexual encounters and sexual surprises as a way of enhancing their travel experience. Globally, the sex tourism industry is billions worth billions, with millions of sex workers spread across the world comprising both legal and illegal. Here's the list of top 5 sex tourism destinations of the world. 1. Netherlands. The Netherlands, a country in northwestern Europe, is known for a flat landscape of canals, tulip fields, windmills, and cycling routes. Canal-side mansions and a trove of works from artists, including Rembrandt and Vermeer, remain from the city's 17th century Golden Age. Amsterdam in the Netherlands is the perfect place for sex tourism. It ranks number 1 in the world due to sex tourism, and also the services are genuine and pure. In Netherlands, Amsterdam has released an online test to weed out tourists who disturb the peace of the city. Regarded as the paradise for sex enthusiasts, it is considered to be one of the most popular sex tourism destinations in the world. Here prostitution is legal at the same time regulated. Amsterdam's De Wallen is the largest and most famous red light district, RLD, in the city, known for cubicle sex, a popular destination for international sex tourism. 2. Thailand. Thailand is a Southeast Asian country. It's known for tropical beaches, opulent royal palaces, ancient ruins, and ornate temples, displaying figures of Buddha. In Bangkok, the capital, an ultramodern cityscape rises next to quiet canal-side communities and the iconic temples of Wat Arun, Wat Pho, and the Emerald Buddha Temple, Wat Phra Aekw. Nearby beach resorts include bustling Pattaya and fashionable Hua Hin. Thailand is the first country that comes to mind when it comes to liberated holidays for men and women. There are 2 to 3 million sex workers in this kingdom. Prostitution is illegal in Thailand, but the laws are ambiguous and often unenforced. In fact, Thailand is also famous for transvestite sex workers and gay men. 3. Philippines. The Philippines, officially the Republic of the Philippines, is an archipelagic country in Southeast Asia. The Philippines is the second most popular sex tourism destination after Thailand. Do not forget that this is a Catholic state, and there is no orthotic. In Philippines, huge industry domestically, with over 800,000 men, women, and children working in the trade. However, some of the most commonly cited countries for sex tourism include Thailand, Brazil, Costa Rica, and the Philippines. The girly bars that were prevalent during World War II is believed to be the reason behind the country's international image as a sex destination. 4. Germany. Germany is a Western European country with a landscape of forests, rivers, mountain ranges, and North Sea beaches. It has over 2 millennia of history. Berlin, its capital, is home to art and nightlife scenes, the Brandenburg Gate, and many sites relating to World War II. Munich is known for its Oktoberfest and beer halls, including the 16th-century Hofbrauhaus. Frankfurt, with its skyscrapers, houses the European Central Bank. Germany. In one of the more progressive approaches worldwide, prostitution in Germany is legal, organized, and taxed. Germany also allows brothels. Germany, Hamburg, Berlin, and Reeperbahn are the main places for German escort services. Germany is distinguished by the fact that prostitution is legal. With an average of 49 sex workers per 10,000 women, Germany has an open policy towards the prostitution industry. Unlike other EU countries, prostitution is open and legal. 5. Brazil. Brazil, officially the Federative Republic of Brazil, is the largest and easternmost country in South America and Latin America. Brazil is the world's 5th largest country by area and the 7th most populous. Its capital is Brasilia, and its most populous city is São Paulo. Brazil. In terms of entertainment, Brazil can be compared with Thailand. Although prostitution is officially prohibited here, this does not prevent it. Brazil, yet another place where prostitution is legal. However, it is illegal to operate a brothel or to employ sex workers. Nevertheless, dozens of brothels fill the cities, where prostitutes engage in sexual activities still function here.